everyone, welcome to cop2250. My name is Dr. Lila Rajabion and I'm teaching this course. In this course, we are going to actually use Java. The name of the course is Object-Oriented Programming, and we will use Java to be able to program in object-oriented language. The environment that we are going to use is actually called BlueJ. So this book that I'm using for this class is called Java Using BlueJ. So this is the book. They have just changed the edition so that the bookstore, they ordered the newer edition, which is the 6th edition. So I had to actually change the assignment pages because it just kind of changed a little bit. So I have to do a little bit modification. But so that's why I'm giving everybody more time to get this book and kind of download the application, the BlueJ. So I'm going to show you in this session how to download that, and also I'm going to show you how to get to the project that are available there, and we're going to do some modification maybe throughout the weeks of this course to these programs. I just have to remind you that this is a basic course to Java. By the objective of this course is basically to teach you how to use object-oriented programming and to understand the concepts. We're just using Java as a programming language to kind of help us with it, but the main purpose is to learn about object-oriented programming. C++ is another object-oriented programming. You know, there are other ones that are out there. And you're probably going to take Python throughout your program, and also you will take more Java courses. So after you finish this course, you're not going to be a full programmer because this is just a basic introduction to Java. You need to at least take a few more courses in Java, and also maybe to kind of practice on your own to become a programmer. So basically what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to go back to our course material and I'm going to actually download this. I've already downloaded on my computer. It's pretty easy, but I'm just going to click on it, and in a matter of a few minutes the application should be downloaded on your computers. So let's just go and download this. So we're going to the course materials, and of course we are going to find our course, and we're going to go to the modules, and I have download BlueJ here. Once you click on it, if it doesn't open, you will click on that, and you will actually click on download and install BlueJ installer with Java 8 JDK. This is the recommended one that I would recommend you to just download this on the Windows. For Mac, you can actually download this. You just click on it and the download should do it correctly. If for any reason you have problem, just let me know and we can work on it together. But this is a pretty simple install. Like when I click on it, because I already downloaded here, so it's going to rewrite mine, so I'm not going to rewrite it. But you will actually, in a matter of few minutes, you can download it. You can see that here, when I click on it, it's kind of opening in this here, and I can just say run and kind of go through the installation. It's very simple, but I'm not going to do it because I already installed it. So you want to actually do this one together. This is the recommended one that I would recommend to use. So once you download it on your computer, all you have to do is go to Start, and you will see a BlueJ icon here. You can just click on BlueJ and you will have something like that open up. So in the next part, I'm going to actually show you how you can download the projects and then open the project in this environment. So this is basically the compiler that you're using to compile and run and to create your classes, objects, and all that. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to talk about, let's go back to the course canvas again. And the next thing that we are going to talk about is the how to download the projects. So again, let's go to modules, and we are going to actually click on BlueJ Companion and click here, and we are back to this page. So once you have ordered your book, you all have access to book projects. You can actually click on it, and then you will see that there is a zip file that it's being downloaded. So you can download this somewhere. This is going to be a zip file, and so I have Zip It Free, but you might have WinZip, or you might have another zip kind of a program that unzips this package. You must have something that unzips the package. So maybe you can download WinZip if you don't have it, or Zip It Free, or any other software that unzip the file. So once you have downloaded, then you can click on Extract, and you can create a folder like I want all these to be extracted under Students, and then hit on Extract. So all these programs, I already have something that's called the Students, so I'm just gonna say yes to all of them. All right, let me just cancel this. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna create a new folder. So it will basically download under Students folder. So you will then have projects, and all these projects will have project from chapter 1 through chapter 16. So each week we are going to go through these projects and open them. So let's go to chapter 1, for example, and I can click on Figures. So anything that has the BlueJ icon, you can actually open. The rest you cannot open. So I'm going to click on this package, and it is automatically going to start the BlueJ environment. And so you can see that I have this figure, this class diagram in here. So in each week's chapter, you will be able to open the project. So if I go back again and I click on House, and again we have another package to execute. See, this is another package that we can execute. So these are all the projects that are within the chapters that you can open up. And then lab classes, you can again click on Package, and you can see this is a class lab to the student. So you can actually open the projects from here once you downloaded it on a zip file. So you have all the chapters here. Okay, there are a few tips that I'm going to kind of provide here that I would suggest you every week to basically go through watching the videos. And then I have the MP4 players for each chapter. This is actually from your book. So you can actually follow those MP4 players. There are step-by-step instructions. Normally in my lecture, I would just basically give you a general information of that chapter and kind of cover high concept. So I would rather you watch the other videos as well so that you can do a step-by-step. At the end of each chapter, we're always going to have an assignment. So I will put the assignment in the module. So after you finish watching this video, the other videos that are related to the book, you should be able to do the assignment. Also, please remember that for the Java course, you need to practice a lot. In programming, the syntax is very important. For example, if you miss a semicolon or if you miss a column, your whole program might not run. And you have to actually have a second eye. Sometimes it's better if you send it to another student to look at it, or you can send it to me. I'm trying to find a tutor for this course. There are a few people who are interested to become a tutor for this course, and I'm sure you will need that throughout this semester. I will provide you with more information for the tutor throughout the semester by next week. So please, if you have any question, please feel free to email me. I would rather you email me on Canvas, because that's an easier way I can actually know who emailed me from which course. But if you email me through like my email, then I might not even know which class you belong to, because I'm actually teaching 4 different classes this semester. So I have a lot of different students. I have over 100 students. So it is very important if you use the Canvas, then at least I know you are from this class. So I'm actually going to postpone the assignment until middle of next week rather than being due on Sunday, because a few people, they just have problem getting the book, and I know bookstore told me that they run out of it, so they are going to actually order new books. So because of that, I'm just going to actually postpone it for a few more days. But please make sure that you actually do your introduction, because that is important for the class participation. I have to actually submit that by this Sunday. So I need everybody to actually, who are taking this course, if you want to get the course attendance, to be able to actually go there and put your name, put your information, kind of introduce yourself to me and your classmate, and in that way I have an idea of who you are as well. I hope you're going to enjoy this course. So this is the first part of the lecture for this week. You are going to watch the next video for the second part of the lecture. Have a good day for now.